Hello everyone, greetings to you all from our exclusive English and educational updates in the state of Assam, Andhra Pradesh. Well, in this short video, we will be just looking at the SA-1, which means Self-Assessment Term 1 Model Paper, Syllabus, Instructions, Guidelines, as well as the specific timetable for the examination, ensuing examination, issued by Honorable Director, School Education, Andhra Pradesh on 4th 11/2025. So these are the preliminary statements about the instructions. Now let us look at the timetable of the SA-1 examination, right? So on 10th, we have the first language for classes 8th to 10. Timings are 9:15 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. For classes 6th and 7th, timings are afternoon 1:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. And for classes 1 to 5 is a preparatory day. Followed by first language for classes 1 to 5 and second language Hindi for classes 6 to 10 high school section. And 12th is a third language English examination and for both primary and high school. Next is the mathematics 13th for both the primary and secondary. Next 14th is for primary environmental science for classes 3 to 5, and whereas for high school level general science for 6th and 7th, physical science for 8th, 9th and 10th. Followed by OSSC, right? This is not applicable for primary here in government's normal government schools. There are special schools. Now on 15th November we have biological science for classes 8th to 10th class. Then followed by 17th is the final examination, social studies for all normal schools. And with regard to OSSC, 18th is the first language composite course paper 2, which comprises Sanskrit, Hindi, Arabic, Persia, right? So these are the specific timings for the SA-1 examination. Now we will look at the weightage of the paper, right? For classes 1 and 2, we have number of questions 20, which are multiple choice in nature. Section B comprises 10 questions carrying 3 marks each. Then section C, 2 marks, 2 questions carrying 5 marks each. So for classes 1 and 2, the total number of marks are 80 marks. Next, for classes 3 to 9, so same pattern. Under section A, multiple choice questions are 20. Section B, number of questions 4 carrying 4 marks each. Then section D, number of questions 4 carrying 8 marks. So totally 33 questions and 80 marks for classes 3rd to 9. So dear students, please observe this pattern because we are all attempting for the first time after the introduction of assessment booklets and at a time multiple choice, application, understanding, MUA type, mechanical, understanding and application types of questions. Now these are the specific instructions for the specific subjects, and now all the concerned officers will be looking after the smooth completion of examination. Now let us look at the syllabus of the SA-1 examination, right? So here you can see first column represent classes, second one is subject and subject wise syllabus for classes 1 to 10. So look at the Telugu syllabus, followed by Hindi, followed by our favorite English subject. So for class 10, the fun they have, a letter to God, dust of snow, fire and ice, a triumph of surgery, Nelson Mandela long walk to freedom, a tiger in the zoo, 2 stories about flying, how to tell wild animals, the ball poem. So all up to up to unit 8, the syllabus has been prescribed for SA-1. Accordingly, for class 9, class 8, class 7, class 6, class 1 to 5, you can see the English related specific topics, followed by mathematics. For mathematics, real numbers to probability, applications of trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, coordinate geometry, statistics, arithmetic progressions, quadratic equations, pair of linear equations in 2 variables, and polynomials. These are the different topics for mathematics examination, like this, classes 1 to 10. Then followed by EVS, general science, physical science, biological science, social studies, and respectively the minor media syllabus 2 is supplied here by our Director of School Education. So please wish you all the best, dear students. Do well prepare and don't depend on anyone. Try to do your best in the coming SA-1 examination. So with this, we conclude today's video. Wish you all happy learning and keep learning. Do take care. Jai Hind.